What's up, guys? It's your favorite Uncle Elroy, and we are back. That's right. Bad decisions in the back, so you know what that means. That's right. It's nice out, sun out, bikes out. So I took a little time today. We're gonna go ahead and get out here and win, because as you guys can tell, I haven't been on in a while, and I haven't even been getting my rides in. So that is all changing. It is now riding season, and that means that I am going to get my butt out here on this road and get some miles in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do just that. So let's go ahead and get a little crank up on here, a little cold start. Ready to rock. Let's roll. We're back. We have made it to our destination, and this is pretty much my quiet place. I like to go think, get some me time in. This is my view. You get to enjoy the nice peace and serenity of the freaking water. So I just love to take my bike down here. You know, I think everybody should find a place that they want to ride to a destination, get some wind therapy, and finally get some peace in your life. All right, back on the bike. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. That was a beautiful ride. I feel relaxed, man. Great wind therapy. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. So until the next time, always make sure, keep it on twos. Peace.